In this video, I want to show you how to replace the ink cartridges inside of your Canon TS7720 printer. So let's get started. To access the ink compartment, simply stick your finger on this side and lift the top panel. Make sure that the Canon printer is turned on. And as you see, the printer cartridge carriage will be presented to you. If it's the first time you're installing ink cartridges, well, the basic thing to know is that the color ink cartridge goes over here and the black one always goes on the right. To open these panels, simply push on the front. Okay, just like that. Take your ink cartridge. Now, if it's a brand new one, you'll need to remove the orange tape that is protecting the print head. Never touch it with your fingers. This is the black ink that goes on the right side. So all you have to do is to simply glide it and it should fall in. And then just make sure with your finger that it's pushed down. Same thing with the color ink cartridge. Here we go. It goes right in. Honestly, it's quite easy. And then don't forget to close these caps. And to close the lid of your printer, it's quite an easy process. Push up and release to go down by itself. Now, when time comes to replace those ink cartridges, let me show you. You're going to open the lid the same way, I showed you. You're going to wait until this carriage is sitting right in front of you. It may take a few seconds. All right, great. And once it's here, you open the blue cap. And to remove them, it's quite easy. You're going to go on the side. You see how I did with my finger, and you're going to lift the cartridge and you'll be able to remove it. Same thing over here on the side. And that's how you can take them out. This printer takes the Canon CL286 color ink cartridge. It also comes in the CL286XL that prints double the amount of the regular one. And for the black ink cartridge, it takes the Canon PG285. Again, it also exists in the XL version. I'll put links in the description if you want to get them from Amazon. Every time you purchase through my links, I get a very small commission and it helps my channel. So let me just put them back over here. And once you have put the ink cartridges, you don't have to do anything. It will take a few seconds and you'll be able to print. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.